Hey, this is Justin, the Flipping Accountant, and today I'm going to show you how to enable the notifications on the Amazon Seller app. If you find this information helpful, please consider subscribing or leaving a like. Let's start by opening up the Amazon Seller app. Click on that right there. In the top left-hand corner, you've got three little bars right here, so we'll go ahead and click that. And from here, we're going to go to the top right-hand corner and click on the little gear icon. Click on the gear icon, and then from here, we're in the settings for the account. And then the second one from the top is push notifications. So just go ahead and click on push notifications right there. And this pulls up all the different notifications that you can have set up. You can have it for new buyer message, buyer complaint file, low price opportunity, live shop, shipment reminders, account under review, account registration, India only 3 times a week, I guess, buyer requested cancellation, confirmed shipment reminders, ship order now, sell globally 1 time a month, lost feature offer, customer wish list products, payment confirmation, prime order notifications, credit card is invalid, account deactivated, B2B price quote request, same order ship now, or same order ship now late. So I think most people are probably just going to use the ones at the very bottom, like just getting the orders in, same day order ship, but you can turn those on or off, and any of these you can adjust. Let's say if I don't want the new buyer message, I just click it and it turns it right off. At the very bottom, it says update successfully. So you don't have to click save or anything like that. You can just adjust which one of these you want to have on your phone, and you can either have them all on or have them all off. It's totally up to you, but that's how you do it. That's going to be it for today. If you found this video useful, please drop a like. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.